2022 Toyota Tacoma, in stock and available with a 6-foot bed. Some would call it a long bed because most of the Tacomas have the very short stubby bed, kind of like that Tundra. This unit was sold locally to one of our very good customers. He dropped it off with us for lift kit, tires, wheels. It got the real deal set up with the struts, power folding steps. It's cement gray in color. And then lo and behold, after being very patient, a Super Duty that he had longly awaited on ordering finally came in. So we traded this unit in. It also has a pedal commander. It's a TRD 4x4 Sport in cement gray. I don't know if that's the technical name or not, but that's what everybody calls it. Clean truck. We have not washed it. All we did was put some tire shine on the tires because it was basically still brand new and clean. It's had about 500 miles since the equipment was done. All color matched with fog lights. Even some free bird poop. Roof rack. Power steps. 6-inch kit. 33s. 12-inch wheels. No rubbing. Very good stance. And like I said, pedal commander. Power inverter in the bed. Tie down system in the bed. V6. Hitch on the back. If you want a truck that's already built and ready to go, this is the one. 49.9, 13,000 miles and some change. Here, available, title in hand, ready to go. You do not find a Toyota like this very often. And while we're right here, if you want his big brother, here's a Tundra. Also on 6 inches with 35s, a little skinnier on the tires and wheels. Also on a 6-inch kit. V8 in this one. 40,000 miles for $39.9, a 2015. Got the two-tone leather with perforation in the seats. SR5, basically everything a Limited would have. Also TRD 4x4. Some really cool side steps. Also a very nice truck. So a couple Toyotas in stock right now.